Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 error 0xc1900208 in Windows 10. So if you're doing a feature update or perhaps a reinstall of the Windows 10 operating system and you're coming across this error, this tutorial should hopefully be able to resolve the problem for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select Yes. Now I'm going to have several commands in the description of my video. I want you to copy each command one at a time. There will be one per line. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. And we're just going to hit Enter after each command. And once that's done, close out of here. Please note, if you have to swap out the C when I'm running the REN commands with your drive letter that Windows is installed on, feel free to do that, or else you probably won't actually work. But pretty straightforward process there, guys. Restart your computer, and again, hopefully that's resolved the problem. Another thing you try would be to open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the area underneath Get Up and Running, scroll down and select where it says Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Select Next. If you get any pop-ups, you just want to follow along whatever it suggests here. So click on Close. Hopefully it was able to resolve the problem that way as well. So as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.